What's going on, Excel Fanatics? Verdexes here. I'm hoping to kind of wrap this up in this pie chart tutorial. So last time we were given this problem of kind of using too much data in a pie chart, and I believe they're just about to tell us about how we can fix this, right? So a sunburst chart. This can help visualize hierarchical data. I don't think I pronounced that right. I'm sorry, I'm tired. It's like the outside ring is a donut chart with different sized arcs, and the inner rings visualize the underlying hierarchy. So this sunburst chart uses these three columns for the three inner rings, and then uses the column for the outer ring. This is interesting. This still seems like a lot. Sorry, I was just taking a second to absorb it. So here's an example of how to read this chart. In the West Campus of all B2C sales, Tia is the biggest seller, followed by Zoe and Liz. Within B2C. Yeah, okay, I can see what you're saying. Practice changing from a pie chart to a sunburst chart. So click at the border of the pie chart below and to select it. Then on the Chart Design tab at the top of the window, click Change Chart Type. Course. Then on the left, click Sunburst. Right here. So it's actually not in the pie chart section. It's actually it's its own category. So when the data is changed, right-click an arc and add data labels. So it fills in just like what we saw on the last tab. Now right-click any data table, click Format Data. And then select both the category name and the... Wait, did I do that right? Hold on a second. Any data label. Format... Oh, maybe that's why I wasn't clicking the exact numbers there. Then select both the category name and value. And then that's exactly what we saw on the last one. Do step one again, but this time change to the tree map. So let's go to design. And tree map right above it. Pew. That's a little bit better. I know this is a pretty commonly used one. You can see similar charts like this actually in Google Analytics if you guys are in marketing. Okay, one last thing before you go. Woo! Sometimes you might have data that isn't summarized yet. In these cases, you need to create a special kind of chart, a pivot chart. This data is not summarized yet. We really need each sales rep summed up and each sum represented in a pie chart. To do that, we made a pivot chart. But how did it summarize each rep sales? With every pivot chart comes a pivot table, which sums up the sales for each rep. So click anywhere in the table below, and then Insert tab, Pivot chart. Insert, click pivot chart. Haha, see, I clicked pivot table. You need to go over here to pivot chart. And then in the create existing worksheet, click F18. In the pivot fields pane on the right, click the check boxes for the rep and sales, and then move the chart into a better position. You got it. Woohoo! So yep, so you see the pivot table was made and the chart is feeding from it directly. Click the border of the chart and select it, and then at the top of the window, click the Design tab, then change chart type and choose 2D pie chart. And here we are, full circle. And then add data. And here we are. All right, that pretty much wraps it up. There is Learn More here. I'm not going to go through this stuff for you guys, but I'll put the link to each of these Learn Mores in the description for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please don't forget to give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe for some more content. I will see you soon.